Hello everyone, my name is Janpam Singh Sikharwar and welcome back to another video on the topic of trigonometry. So this is the first video in this series of trigonometry. Before we continue, I would like to tell you that we have a two type of audience. The first one who is in very hurry and they want only answers and they just want to complete their exercise. That is totally fine. Maybe their goal is something different. So those people who are in hurry, we will start with the solving exercises, and we will only talk about the required information that is used to solve that question. And we have the second type of audience who want to understand everything in detail, every detail of the trigonometry. So we will continue and we will discuss that all details later. Okay, so let's move. And in this video we are going to talk about we are going to solve the exercise 3.1 question number 1, right? So here you see it's written that find the radian measure. Okay, that is very important. This radian measure is very important, corresponding to the following degree. So let's understand what is radian measure. We know if we have an angle, then we say it like 30 degree. So this degree is a unit of measurement. What is this? This is unit of measurement. Same like if I tell you then what is the length of this line, maybe you say this is 20 mm, for example, and someone else can say no, we can also say this is 2 cm, centimeter. Both is correct. Okay, so we know only about degree as of now to measure a angle, but now we have another unit of measurement that is called radian. Same like if we know only about mm, and when I told you that centimeter is also unit of measurement, it will be same like this, right? Okay, so now you know what is radian. This is a unit of measurement for the angle. Okay, now how to convert this? So 360, you know, in a circle there is 360 degree. Okay, when we talk about in radian, then it will be 2 pi. Okay, remember this, 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. If you are afraid with pi, then you can also write 360 degree equal to 6 into 28 radian. How I calculated this? 3.14 into 2, it will be 6.28. Okay, I hope this is also clear to you. Now if I say if this whole circle is 360 degree, then tell me what is the half of it. Okay, so you will quickly calculate this by, if full is 360 and we are making two part of it, then it will be 180 degree, right? So if you have 2 pi that is equal to 360 and you want to divide this in a two parts, then you will get pi. So it means 360 degree equal to 2 pi and 180 degree equal to pi, right? So on the basis of same concept, we will calculate what is the 25 degree in radian. Okay, before we start, I want to tell you something, right? Here suppose with the, again we are going with the example. Suppose here all the values are in degree and here in a radian, right? So here we have 360 degree, that is equal to 2 pi. Okay, so if I tell you that we have a circle, just make it, yeah, and we are dividing it with 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 equal parts, then what will be the angle form here? Okay, so you will just say divide it with the 4 and you will get 90 degree, right? You will say this is 90 degree. Now I am saying that just forget this 90 degree. Okay, now we will not talk about in degree. Tell me what is the angle that is formed here, what is this angle in radian. So we'll say, okay, this is also very simple, just we have to divide it with the 4. Okay, so this 2 radian is 6.28, okay, by 4, right? So 6.28 divided with 4, it will be 1, and we will get 2, right? So it will be, so when we will solve this, like 6.28, and we have to remove this, and we will make decimal here. Now 2 4 5 ja 20, then we have 2, then 8, then we have 4 6 7 7 ja 28, right? So you can say that 1.57 radian is equal to 90 degree. You can also verify this by pi by 2. Pi is 180 degree, 180 degree by 2, pi is 3.14, right? 3.14 by 2. So this is also 1.57, right? So same, if we have 25, in degree, so let's verify that 360, what will be the smallest, how many portion we can divide of a 25. Means if we have a circle, then if we will divide, if we will make a 20 degree angle of portion, how many portion we can make out of it. Okay, so 25 1 ja 25, then we will have 11, 6 and 5 11, then decimal 0, sorry, not decimal, we will get the 0 1, then 5, sorry, 4 1 4, it's 100, and 10, decimal 0 4. Then we can make 14.4 equal portion of the circle. Okay, so if 36 can be divided into 14.4 equal portion, then we can say that 2 pi will also divide into 14.4 portions, right? So we can find it like 6.28 divided by 14.4 is equal to 0.432. Okay, let's check our answer whether 25 degree is 0.436 radian or not. I will just ask to Google, and let's see what is the answer. Okay, 0, let me just back, why this gone. Yeah, okay, so I will ask to Google, what is the value of 25 degree in radian? I don't know why this is yeah, this is in Bluetooth, just a second. Yeah, what is the value of 25 degree in radian?
The value of 25 degrees is 5 pi over 36 radians, which is about 0.4363 radians.
Yeah, so this answer is correct. So this is not our point. Okay, our point is to make a formula. How can we make a formula where we just put the degree and calculate everything? We don't want to do all these things every time. So you see what we are doing, we are just taking 2 pi, and dividing it with a value of angle with 360, right? We did this, right? So you see, if I solve this, you will get the 0.436, same like this. So what we can do, we can say that 2 pi into degree divided by 360, right? this is also so this is now our formula. Okay, now we will put this formula everywhere and we will calculate the values. Let me just show you. I don't know how much you are getting, but if you rewatch this, if you are not getting this, just rewatch it and you will understand. So what we calculated here, that 2 pi into degree, that is 25 here, by 360. Okay, so 2 pi is 6.28 into 25 by 360 is equal to, if we get with the 2, no, we are not getting it, so let's divide 25 with 360. 0.0, no, and 0, again 0, it's 2500, 5 6 7 7. I think if we will divide with the 7, then we will get 0 42 4 guys 4 25. So this is more than 2500. We have to just clear this. Can we find any other way so we can just make it good? Okay, so see here, there is a catch. You see, we took 2 pi and 360 degree. Can we make it pi and 180 degree? Is it correct? If we make it 3.14 and here we make 180 degree, then we don't have to calculate so much, right? It will be also giving us 0.349, whatever the answer was. Okay, so now our formula is changed to, we have just evolved this, we have just evolved our formula, and here we are taking 2 pi, though instead of 2 pi we will take only pi into angle by 360. Because we have just divided this with 2, now we will take only 180 degree. So now we have 3.14 into 25 by 180 degree. So now this is much simpler, right? So 180 divided by 25, it will be 400, then 2 6 and 7. It will be 7 ja 5 3 7 14 17. So we'll get 5 decimal 0. So sorry, 2 ja 50 cross. So we will get 3.14 into 7.2. I hope this is correct. Okay, but I don't feel it that it's a correct. I don't know why. Let me just clear this. I don't know why, but I'm not feeling it. 3.14 into 25 into 80. Okay, that's it. So this is the reason why I was worried. I just did the wrong thing. I have to write 180 here and then 25 here. Okay, now 0.01 180, and we will get 70 here, then 0. If we consider this is 200, then 3 ja 0, 24 के 4 हाथ में 2, 3 2 5, 0 10 6 and 1 160. Okay, now again 0, then we will get 1600, means we can take 8 here, 0 4 and 8 6 14. We will get 0, then 6 1 and cross, then it will be continue like this. Okay, so we can say that this is 0.139. okay, so finally we have to do 3.14 into 0.139 equal to how much. Okay, we have to calculate this. That's it. And if I write this below here, 3.14 into 0.139 equal to, I think it should be calculating the automatically. No, really, just calculate it, bro. No, let me try again. 3.14 into 0.139 equal to, solve it. Solve it. No, I don't know, sometimes this feature does not work. Maybe some issue in my tablet, or I don't know what else. So if you will multiply this, you will get 0.436 answer. So now you have this formula, okay, and you can apply this to calculate any of them. Okay, we will calculate one more, and then the else you will calculate with your own. Okay, so this look something different, so let's calculate this because it's in minus. Okay, so before we solve this, I would like to tell you one another concept, that is, in 1 degree there is 60 minutes. Okay, minutes. Okay, so you can also say that 1 degree equal to 60, and this is a symbol of minute. Okay, so you see you have 30 minutes. Okay, means 30 minutes means you have minus 47.5 degree. Okay, now just put pi, that is equal to 3.14 into minus 47.5 by 180 degree, right? So what will be the answer? Let's just check, and if I open my calculator, then it will be more better. Calculator. Okay, so we have to do 3.14 into 47.5. 3.14 into 47.5, that is equal to 14915. That is equal to 14915 14915 and in minus divided by 180. So let's divide this with 180, and you will get 0.828. Okay, so you will get minus 0.828, and you can also say 8 to 9, 8 to 86, it means 8 to 9. Okay, now I will just ask to Google whether our answer is correct or not. So what will be the value of minus 47 degree 30 minutes in radian? Maybe Bluetooth is again connected. No, it's not connected. So you can say, you can search on Google also. I see the answer is correct. It's minus 0.829 radian. So this is correct. So the point of this conversation is you have to remember this. If you want to convert radian to degree, sorry, degree to radian, you have to do pi into angle by 180 degree. That's it. So that's it for this video. We will meet in another video, and we will solve the question number 2, and we will see whether we require any other knowledge except this. Okay, so in this video we study about what is radian. That is very important. Radian equal to 2 pi. Okay, and in angle, in degree, it's 360. Okay, and this whole represents the one circle. Okay, so one circle equal to 360 degree, and you can also say, or you can say, this is 2 pi. 2 pi radian. Okay, only you have to remember this. Okay, and you have to calculate the formula and you have to solve the chapter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's see you in next video. Bye bye. Happy